6 ends up being about here. Turns out it's about 6.28 radians around a circle, which is how much?
2 pi.
2 pi. So one full circle is 2 pi radians, and half a circle is pi radians. So we're going to also start filling in those angle measurements here. We just said that a full circle was 2 pi, so I'm going to write that right there. And that half a circle is pi, which I'm going to write right here. So I just put in this and this. 2 pi and pi is what I put in. Now if we're only looking at the top half, let's just ignore my purple arm right now. Okay, you're only looking at the top half. Top half is pi. You guys agree? So what's this one here? What's halfway through half?
Pi divided by 2.
Pi divided by 2, or 1/2 of pi, since the half a circle is pi. Then halfway is half of pi, right? 1/2 times pi can also be written as pi divided by 2. So please write pi over 2 for that one. Okay, so I want you to think about this as a whole. Half a circle is 1 pi. This is half of pi. What would this one be then?
Pi 4. Pi divided by 4.
Pi divided by 4, or pi over 4 pi, or pi over 4. So this is pi over 4, or 1/4 pi. All right, we're going to start moving in fractions now, and it's important that you look up or you're going to get lost, so look up. 0/4, 1/4, 2/4 is the same thing as 1/2, right? What's this one? 3/4. 3 pi over 4. Remember, this is just another way to label that angle. All right, now we're going to try sixths instead. This one right here is 1/6 pi, or pi over 6. All right, so do it with me. Look up. 0/6, 1/6, 2/6. How can I reduce 2/6?
1/3.
1/3. This is pi over 3 right here. So 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6 is the same thing as 1/2, right? 4/6 is the same thing as 2/3. This is 2 pi over 3. This is not something fancy I'm doing. This is literally just by counting by 6. All right, 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. Can I reduce 5/6?
No.
Nope. This is 5 pi over 6. All right, now we're going to try the bottom half. I'm going to read the top half to you just to make sure you have it right. All right, so everybody, don't look at me, look at your unit circle. 0 degrees is 2 pi. 30 degrees is pi over 6. Look at your own unit circle right now. 45 degrees is pi over 4. 60 degrees is pi over 3. 90 degrees is pi over 2. 120 degrees is 2 pi over 3. 135 degrees is 3 pi over 4. 150 degrees is 5 pi over 6. And 180 degrees is pi. Everybody got it right? Cool. Let's try the bottom half. All right. So this is 1 pi. So what's this one then? Over here is 2 pi. So here's 1 pi and here's 2 pi. What's halfway between 1 pi and 2 pi? A pi and a half, or 1.5 pi. If I want to make it into one fraction, what would it be? 3 pi over 2. 3/2 pi. If instead we do it in fourths, this is 4 out of 4. This one would be 5 out of 4. 5 pi over 4. Do you guys understand that? 4/4, 5/4. What's this one down here? 6/4, which reduces to 3/2. This one? 7/4. And then this one right here would be 8/4, which is the same thing as 2 pi. All right, now you're going to do the sixths with your partner alone. I'm going to do them up here so you can check your work. Look at me in the face. Please don't do that thing where you both just copy me and don't learn. Make sure that at least one of you is explaining it to the other person, and if both of you don't know what's going on, call me over when I'm done writing, okay? All right, talk to your partner.
I'm guessing that what's after 6/6 is 7/6.